Hello everyone. Today we're about to embark on a mysterious and enchanting journey together. Imagine finding yourself in a world where abandoned classic cars rest, where time seems to stand still. Each car tells a story, a legacy from a glorious era. Let's dive into the hidden corners, uncover the secrets, and explore the hidden beauty of these cars, where the past and present intertwine. Continuing our journey to explore the world's largest graveyard of classic cars, we once again immerse ourselves in a world full of color and mystery. Thousands of street warriors from the past now rest here, each car a piece of history waiting to be told. The sharp, detailed footage transports viewers into a maze of intricate details, from the soft curves to the scratches that bear the marks of time. These are not just cars, this is a vibrant museum of a bygone era, evoking deep nostalgia in the hearts of viewers. Beyond showcasing unique car models, the video also delves into the challenges faced by restorers as they work on these vehicles. From finding the right parts to restoring their original beauty, this process requires not only skill, but also an intense passion. Antique Auto Salvage is one of the largest classic car yards, home to thousands of vintage vehicles from various decades. Here, classic car enthusiasts can discover rare and unique models, ranging from classic cars to vintage trucks. One of the standout services offered is White's Service Station and Salvage, where they provide transactions for classic cars and trucks, supported by a dedicated and professional team ready to assist customers in finding and restoring their favorite vehicles. Additionally, Old Car City, spanning 32 acres, is considered the largest classic car junkyard in the world, with over 4,000 classic cars on display. This location is not only a dream destination for classic car lovers, but also a place that preserves the history and culture of the automotive industry. The auction of classic cars at the farm has attracted the attention of many collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. The event featured 124 classic cars. In addition to the vintage cars, the auction also included a variety of farm equipment, ranging from machinery to essential tools for farm work. This created a diverse environment where participants could find valuable items both for collection and agricultural use. The results of the auction will be announced, allowing interested parties to follow and gain insight into the classic car market, as well as the value of the items sold. In a wild forest, an exciting discovery unfolded when a classic car enthusiast stumbled upon a unique graveyard of vintage vehicles where around 50 different classic cars lay abandoned. The scene was nothing short of magical, with rusted cars nestled among lush green trees. Nearby, an abandoned garage added to the surprises, revealing several classic cars and motorcycles. Here, time seemed to stand still, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the past and uncover the hidden stories behind each vehicle. Exploring a classic car yard is an incredibly captivating experience, especially at places like 1000 Classics. This site houses thousands of vintage cars from the 1930s to the 1970s. The variety of cars is impressive, from the iconic Ford Model T and stylish Chevrolet Bel Air to renowned muscle cars like the Pontiac GTO and Ford Mustang. Although most of the vehicles are beyond restoration, they still evoke a powerful sense of nostalgia and wonder. Visitors can find luxurious Cadillac Eldorados, charming Volkswagen Beetles, and classic Jeeps, each bearing the marks of time. Here, thousands of cars are not just displayed, but are intertwined with folk art and antiques, creating a unique and fascinating environment. In the dense forests of Maine, abandoned classic cars create a scene both mysterious and captivating. Thunderbirds, Mustangs, and Cadillacs, once symbols of luxury and power, now sit quietly amidst the greenery and moss. Each car holds memories, from joyful road trips to the sorrowful moments of being left behind. Over time, nature has taken over, draping them in green moss and broken branches. This setting attracts not only classic car enthusiasts, but also photographers and writers, as these forgotten vehicles continue to live on in the minds of those who appreciate automotive history and culture, painting a colorful picture in the wild heart of Maine. The Nor'easter Mini Truck and Lowrider Show 2024 will take place on August 10th, 2024, in Laconia, New Hampshire. This is a standout event in the car enthusiast community, drawing unique mini trucks and lowriders, along with those passionate about car culture. The event promises an exciting and lively atmosphere, with around 1,000 attendees expected, making it a vibrant and colorful celebration. After the success of the previous year, the Nor'easter Mini Truck and Lowrider Show has become a must-attend destination for car lovers eager to connect and share their passion with like-minded individuals. Get ready for a fantastic day filled with stunning cars and unforgettable experiences. The Mini Car Show at the local Chevy dealership is an exciting and engaging event for car enthusiasts. Taking place from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., this event not only attracts car lovers, but also offers a fun atmosphere for families to enjoy together. Throughout the show, cars will be displayed and judged, with scoring beginning at 12 noon. The best cars will receive awards, creating a lively competition among the owners. This is a fantastic opportunity for car enthusiasts to connect, share experiences, and admire the latest models from the Chevy brand. With a friendly and vibrant setting, the event promises to create memorable experiences for everyone involved. Along the southern road of Toledo, Washington, near the Vader Road exit from Interstate 5, abandoned classic cars are scattered on either side, easily catching the eye of passersby. These cars, with their faded paint and rust, hold stories of a glorious past. They stand as living witnesses to time, reflecting an era when automobiles were not just modes of transportation, but also symbols of freedom and lifestyle. From sporty models to old trucks, these classic vehicles not only captivate car enthusiasts, but also evoke memories of days gone by. The atmosphere here is thick with nostalgia, prompting anyone who passes by to stop, gaze, and ponder what once was. Though their previous owners may have left them behind, these cars remain steadfast, becoming an integral part of the landscape and adding a poetic touch to the road. Rockin' August is the most renowned car and music festival in Western Canada, held over 5 days in St. Albert. This event is more than just a gathering of meticulously cared for classic cars. It's also a colorful music festival that attracts thousands of attendees each year. From the beautifully maintained vehicles to the lively musical performances, the festival creates a joyful and exciting atmosphere for people of all ages, from children to adults. Beyond enjoying the cars and music, Rockin' August carries a greater mission. The festival is organized to raise funds for the Alberta Diabetes Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting those with diabetes and raising awareness about the disease. Through its exciting activities and enthusiastic community participation, Rockin' August is not just an entertainment event, but also an opportunity for people to come together and contribute to a worthy cause. Around the world, there are many famous abandoned car yards that attract the attention of classic car enthusiasts. One of the standout locations is the car yard in Detroit, USA, once the heart of the automotive industry, now home to many abandoned classic cars following the economic downturn. Similarly, the car yard in Chernobyl, Ukraine, with vehicles left behind after the 1986 nuclear disaster, has become a symbol of desolation and a destination for explorers. In the Czech Republic, various car yards hold vehicles from the Soviet era and European models, drawing collectors seeking restoration opportunities. In northern France, abandoned car yards feature numerous classic and vintage vehicles, while in Japan, these yards preserve famous sports cars from the 1980s and 90s. These car yards are not just places where old cars are stored, but are also testimonies to a bygone era, creating a unique allure for those passionate about exploration and restoration. In the automotive world, the concept of barn finds has become a fascinating phenomenon, capturing the attention of car enthusiasts. These vehicles are often discovered in barns, garages, or remote locations. Rat rods, with their raw and unique style, exemplify the limitless creativity of builders who combine parts from various cars to create a mobile work of art. Vintage and antique cars also enrich the landscape of the automotive industry, not only carrying historical value, but also showcasing the elegance in design and craftsmanship. Since 1972, many muscle cars have been left abandoned in the woods, creating a strange and nostalgic scene. As visitors step into this area, they can admire iconic models from the 1970s, like the Chevy Camaro and Pontiac Firebird, symbols of power and style from that era. The blend of nature with rust-covered, moss-laden vehicles forms a vivid picture of time's passage. These cars are more than just transportation. They carry stories, memories, and the history of a bygone era. Exploring these vehicles is not only a journey to uncover cultural heritage, but also an emotional experience that prompts reflection on themes of neglect and the value of the past. In a captivating story about automotive passion, a Mopar enthusiast has unveiled a secret collection of cars and abandoned projects hidden in a secluded area among the mountains. This collection not only features classic vehicles, but also contains fascinating stories about the restoration process and the owner's deep passion. Additionally, Tommy Lee, known as the Hot Rod Hoarder, has discovered unique cars forgotten in mysterious locations. His journeys provide profound insights into the automotive world, igniting the passion of car lovers. Moreover, at Audi's headquarters in Ingolstadt, there is an unassuming building that houses a secret collection of race cars, preserving the brand's invaluable heritage. These stories not only enrich automotive culture, but also spark curiosity and a desire for exploration among those who love speed and design. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Classic cars are not just pieces of history, they are living works of art, reflecting human creativity and passion. We hope this video has brought you new emotions and reflections. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to continue exploring more wonders with us in the future.